Join me to see how to make a budget-friendly cake design. Here are the steps to decorating your cake. First, purchase a plain cake at your bakery or a local grocery store. Next, purchase your flowers of choice from the grocery store or farmer's market. Then you'll cut your flowers, leaving the stems about 2 inches long. Next, you'll tape your flowers with floral tape to make sure there is no cross-contamination. This is illustrated to the right. I will put a link below where you can purchase the flower tape. Next, you'll insert your flowers at an angle so that they are not sticking out on the sides awkwardly. Finally, be sure to put the cake in the refrigerator until your event starts to assure that the flowers are fresh. Thank you for watching. I will be hosting my very first webinar on October the 24th to learn how to design flowers like a pro. I also offer one-on-one coaching sessions. I'll walk you step by step how to design flowers for any special event. Click the links to learn how to sign up.